So we've got Python installed, but how do we actually get started? I'm going to get started using Python in the shell, or the console, or the terminal. I'm going to show you 3 ways of doing this yourself. I think it's really powerful for beginners to experience using Python in the shell so that you can quickly prototype, quickly figure out what's going on in your code, what different functions or commands do, and understand your variables, your different data structures as well. If you're not able to download Python and install it onto your machine, you're still able to access Python. You can use a web-based solution such as Trinket, trinket.io/Python3. You can do all the programming you want to do on Trinket, pretty much. What you see in front of you, if you hit the down arrow on the screen and select console, a shell will appear on the right-hand side that you can type into directly. You should be able to do this on a tablet device or on a school computer that doesn't have Python installed. If you're on a Windows machine, you can open up Command Prompt using Windows R. A run screen will open up on your computer, and you can type in CMD, hit enter, and you'll be able to open up Command Prompt. Once you've got Command Prompt open, you can type in Python, hit enter again, and a Python shell will appear. If you're on a Mac rather than a Windows PC, what I'll often do is just boot up Terminal quickly. So I can do Command space to open up Spotlight and search for Terminal. And once Terminal's open, I can type in Python 3, and I'm in a Python terminal. I can quickly check list slicing, string slicing, or how a particular function works, which is something I do often.